In the last video, we have seen as how we can change the formatting of the plot. So let me print a sample plot like this. Now, apart from adding the labels and legends for our plot, we can also add the title to our plot. So for that, we make use of plt.title method. So I'll include the title like this. Okay, as you can see in the plot, we have the heading printed by making use of plt.title method. Now apart from this, we can also make use of plt.xlim and plt.ylim methods to specify the x and y axis range. So as a default, we can see that the x-axis values ranges between 0 and 10 and the y-axis values ranges between -1 and 1. Now, I'll change the x-axis and y-axis range like this. Yes, as we can see in the plot, we are now having the x-axis range as -10, 10 and the y-axis as -5, 5. That is by making use of plt.xlim and plt.ylim method. So, we have now learned as how to add title, legends and also specifying the limits of x and y axis of the plot. Apart from these, we can also add the labels to the x-axis and y-axis. So to illustrate this, I'll write the code like this. Okay, as we can see in the output, this has displayed the labels for x and y axis. And here we have used xlabel and ylabel methods and specify the label name inside the parentheses of the respective methods. So guys, in this way, we format our plot to increase the readability of the plots. Now, moving further in our learning, let's look at how we can create a scatter plots using Matplotlib. In case of scatter plot, the points are represented with a dot, circle or any other shape. First, I'll write the code to plot a simple scatter plot. I'll then explain as how it works. Okay, we have a plot like this. So, to create the scatter plot, first I have defined the values of x and y. And then I have made use of the function plt.scatter. And inside this function, I have just passed the values of x and y to be plotted. So along with the values of x and y, I have also specified the marker style character as O. Hence, it is seen that the points are represented individually with circle style marker. So the marker style which we had seen in plt.plot function will also work for this plt.scatter function. So guys, we can make use of this marker style as per our requirement. So with this, we come to the end of this video and let's continue more from the next video.